In this video, we're going to work on a concept called independent events. The occurrence of one event does not help or hurt the occurrence of another event. There is no relationship between them. And to find the probability of them, it is the product of each of the events. So, let's look at our first problem. It is that all three of my things are bad. Now, what are my three things? I go into the auto repair shop and my car won't start. 1 in 10 chance it's the alternator. 3 in 8 chances it's the battery. 1 in 5 it's the starter. So, of all three being bad, 1 in 10 chance for the alternator times 3 in 8 chances for the battery times 1 in 5 chances for the starter. They are independent events. Let's do their product. So that would be 3 over 400. That's the likelihood that all three things are bad. If it is that none of the three things are bad, well, if it's 1 in 10 that the alternator is bad, it's 9 in 10 that it's not bad. If it's 3 in 8 that it's the battery, then it's 5 in 8 that it's not the battery. And that's right, 4 in 5 that is not the starter. So the product of these, well, these are a little bit easier. The 5s simplify out. The 4 becomes a 1, and the 8 becomes a 2. What do we have 9 over 20. So there's 9 chances in 20 that none of the three things are bad. And the last one, the probability that the battery and the starter are bad, and then the alternator was good. So the alternator being good, that would be 9 in 10. The battery being bad would be 3 in 8. And the starter being bad would be 1 in 5. And the result of this would be 27 out of 400. And that's the probability that the battery and the starter are bad and the alternator is good. Hope this helps you understand the idea of independent events, and that the solution to that is it's the product of each individual event. And as always, have a very happy day.